Hi everyone, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. We are now going to begin investigating the pelvic girdle. And first we will focus on the hip bone. Sometimes this is known as the coxal bone or os coxae. And it's a fusion of the ilium, which is going to be the largest one that flares out right here. So it's a fusion of the ilium and the ischium and the pubis, which is the anterior bone. When these bones are shown articulated, as we see here, we can note the acetabulum. This is where the head of the femur is going to articulate. And then we can also see this large foramen, the obturator foramen. This is the largest foramen in the body. And then we can see the pubic symphysis, which is the fibrocartilage found between the two pubis bones. Again, pubis bone, and then we have the ischium, and then the ilium is up here.